Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about the question list feature, which is one of the free features of the ExamMate website. This website feature allows you to categorize your questions under the title question list. When you are logged into the site, click on the My Account button. To create a question list, click on the Build Question List option in the left menu of the page. In the pop-up window, enter the name of your choice in the question list name field. Click on the Create Question List button. You will be taken to the Edit Question List environment. In this section, you will see the name of your question list. Here, you will see 3 different tabs. In the Select Questions from tab, you can select your questions from any of the following groups. The filters below will change based on the type of group. The operation and use of the facilities of this environment are fully explained in the topical past paper, video, and you can use it. You will see the list of filtered questions in the left window. Next to each question, there is a Select Plus button. You can click on the Select Plus button for any question you want, and the question will be added to your list. If you click on the Remove button for a question, it will be removed from your list. To see the final list of selected questions, click on the Selected Questions tab. Next to the tab name, you will see the number of questions you have selected. You can have a maximum of 300 questions in each list. In the left window, you can see the list of selected questions. You can remove a question from your list by clicking on the Remove button. You can even change the order of a question by holding down the left click of the mouse on the dotted lines next to each question. At the top of this window, there are 2 elements, the first of which displays the number of questions in your list. And with the Remove All button, you can delete all the questions in your list. Your list is created and archived, and you can use it as an archive for yourself or share it with others. To share your question list, click on the Settings tab. Turn on the Public key. If you want the recipient to see the answers to the questions, turn on the Share Answers key. Click on the Save Settings button, then click on the Copy Link button and wait for your link to be ready and copied. Then you can send this link. An important note: if you add questions from the free resources of the ExamMate site to your question list, you can send them to anyone. Otherwise, if a question from a non-free resource of the site is in your list, your recipient can see your question list if he is a member of the site and has a suitable subscription. For better management of your question list, on any page of the website, click on your profile picture. Click on the My Question List option. On the page that opens, you can see all your question lists. Here you will see the number of your lists. You can customize your question list with the tools in the Actions column. You can use Delete to delete your list. You can use the Rename tool to change the name of your list. With the Share button, you can share the list you want. By clicking on the Edit icon, you will enter the Edit Question List page, and you can edit the content of your list. And by clicking on the View icon, you will go to the View Question List page. From the left window, you can save your questions in My Favorite Question by clicking on the heart shapes. In the Created column, you will see the creation date of each question list. And you can also sort your list by date. The Number of Question column displays the number of questions in each question list. The names of the question lists are in the Title column, and you can sort your list by name. To use the ExamMate website better, watch our educational videos and clips.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends.
Let's prepare for exam, mate.